We are coming to you live from the evil lair of the Carrie Brown. She's a Bond villain. See, she's got a cat and everything.
I don't have the cat, you have the cat. Which cat is this?
That is Daisy, who's wondering what the heck is going on right now.
This is Daisy. Daisy's the second oldest, and Daisy is very disturbed currently because there have been 4 kittens this year.
And Daisy's disturbed in general, but she's a lovable cat.
She is, yes. She's our special needs kitty. There. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you, Daisy.
Alrighty.
And for those of you who know cats, she is a ragdoll.
So,
what are we doing?
Today we are reviewing DNX grass-fed beef, uncured bacon, sea salt, and cracked pepper bar. That is a mouthful.
Wow, that looks, I like the packaging. It's got a cow on the front.
It does have a cow.
Which is interesting because it's...
And it has bacon too.
It's got bacon.
It has a bacon and a cow.
Okay, so grass-fed beef, uncured bacon, no nitrates or nitrites added except for that naturally occurring in sea salt and celery. Pork water, sea salt, celery powder, nutritional yeast, organic onion, organic garlic, organic black pepper, Himalayan sea salt, encapsulated citric acid, jalapeno, chili peppers, celery juice powder, sea salt, parsley, organic mustard seed. Super clean. You have to refrigerate after opening. It's all natural beef and uncured bacon bar, no added hormones, no antibiotics. And it's a decent size.
Yeah.
And 10 grams of total fat, 1 grams of total carb, 1 gram of dietary fiber, so no net carbs, 11 grams of protein, and the J word was in here. So I am peeling this and letting you do the tasting.
The J word is jalapeno because somebody can't hold their spices.
Why are you so mean to me?
I'm not mean. I'm just saying somebody. I didn't say you. But we all know who I'm talking about, right?
Are you done?
Maybe.
Do you want this bar?
Yes.
Are you done?
Yes. Done. Alright. So, one thing I love about these, when I was on the truck and I wanted to keep a shelf-stable snack around that was healthy, beef bars like this were a go-to for me. This is really good.
Okay, I'll have a little bit.
So, there is some peppery spice to it, but it's not overwhelming. To me. So, I find this really tasty. It has some of that savory flavor of the bacon. You doing all right? How you doing, princess? You all right? So, I don't have a whole lot of heat from it. But this is definitely something I would pack with me in the truck when traveling, or as a backpacking snack, or even just a snack to have around the house. Portion size is perfect. You're going to get a nice protein hit from the beef and the bacon. The fat ratio is great. You have grass-fed beef, which is grass-fed, grass-finished is going to be more sustainable. For the environment. It's, to me, tastier, and it has a better omega-3 ratio, so not as inflammatory as conventionally raised beef. Yeah, this is really nice. I can see having this if I were on the road in the truck and I didn't have time to like cook a meal or have breakfast or whatever, and I wanted to throw something together real fast, this with some hard-boiled eggs and some cheese would be really awesome. Want some more?
We are not amused.
I am. I don't know what she's talking about. So, in order to handle spices, you got to build an immunity. We'll work on her.
That's what he thinks. Cameo by Daisy. Nope, she's changed her mind. Back in her basket.
Mm-hmm.
Hey Daisy, you want to come down here and say goodbye to everyone?
One thing I like about this too is, like Carrie was saying, the ingredients are super clean. There's no added sugar. Most of the jerky that you get that's available, especially when I was a truck driver, that was available at the truck stops, loaded with sugar and chemicals and nitrates and things like that. Even the natural jerkies often had a lot of sugary ingredients like maple or brown sugar, honey sometimes. So I don't have any of this here, which is really good, and I think this thing's delicious.
Daisy wants to say goodbye.
There's a Daisy cat. And by the way, what should people do?
You
Well, I go
should
press the button.
always check below for the links and fun links and discounts. Love you, bye.